Good morning, my dear students. Today, we will talk about if clause 0 and first conditional. What is if clause? Or conditional clauses, also known as if clauses or conditional sentences, express and imagine situations or condition and the possible results of that situation. What are the types of if clause? 0, first, second, and third clauses. Now, we will learn how to form 0 and first conditional. The tense that we use to form 0 and first conditional is present simple. Remember, how do we form present simple? Present simple. What is the form of a present simple? Subject plus verb plus object. If the subject is plural, I, we, they, and you have to write the base form of the verb. For example, we like tea. But if the subject is singular, he, she, it, you have to add s to the base form. For example, she likes tea. How do we form the negative form of a present simple? We have to use don't or doesn't. We use don't with plural subject, doesn't with singular subject. For example, I don't like tea or she doesn't like tea. How do we make equations with the present simple? We use do or does plus subject plus verb plus object, and don't forget the question mark. For example, do you like tea? Does she like tea? Okay, when do we use the present simple? We use the present simple for facts, habitual actions, things that we don't want to change, and describing yourself. What are the key words or the signal words that's related to present simple? Often, usually, sometimes, never, ever, hardly, seldom, rarely, and always. We call them adverbs of frequency. We have to differentiate between zero conditional and first conditional. The if clause conditional sentence have two statements, if clause and many clause. In zero conditional, if clause must be written with present simple form. Many clause also present simple. We use it for general truths and rules. For example, if ice melts, it becomes water. And if you wave a red flag, it means danger. First conditional. With if clause, the verb formed by present simple. With many clause, we form the verb with will plus base form infinitive of the verb. We use it for conditions in the present which have possibility to happen in the future. Conditions mean shart. For example, if you study well, you will pass. I don't know if you will pass or not, but there is a possibility. Possibility means احتمالية, to pass. How to use zero conditional? Zero conditional sentences express general truth situations in which one thing always causes another. When you use zero conditional, you are talking about general truth rather than a specific instance of something. Consider the following examples. If you don't brush your teeth, you get cavities. When people smoke cigarettes, their health suffers. If equals when. You can say, if you don't brush your teeth, you get cavities, and when you don't brush your teeth, you get cavities. Both are the same. When do we use first conditional sentences? Now, first conditional sentences are used to express situations in which the outcome المخرجات, or something that will happen in the future, the result of your action, is likely to happen in the future. Look at the example below. If you rest, you will feel better. هاي كنتيجة طبيعية as a result of your rest that you will feel better. If you set your mind to a goal, you will eventually achieve it. Okay, this is like summarizing of both rules. Zero conditional contains if clause and many clause. The rule in if clause is a present simple. We can make negative form of it by using don't, doesn't plus base form. Many clause also present simple, negative of it, don't, doesn't plus base form. First conditional, present simple in if clause and will plus base form in many clause. Let's study the following examples for both first and second conditional. 1. What will you do if you lose your passport? We start this sentence with main clause. It's related to first conditional because it's talking about a possibility in the future. What will you do if you lose your passport? 2. I will call an ambulance if I see an accident. Also, we start with the main clause. 3. Ice turns to water if you heat it. This sentence is related to zero conditional because it's fact or general truth. Ice turns to water if you heat it. If he doesn't come early today, I won't wait for him. If I go to bed early, I normally will get up early too. Both are for first conditional. If I read too long, my eyes usually will go red. If I read, present simple, in many clause will go. With my best wishes, your teacher Nadine Ahmed.